view of hell or inferno, you go to that place if you're a bad person. You're a bad boy, a bad lady, you go to hell, right? But you're a good person, you go to heaven. Among Mesoamericans, it doesn't matter. You could be a bad person or a good person, extremely good person, you still have to go to the Xibalbá. The only difference is that if you die in a specific way, you will have a chance to skip all these passages. Those ways are that if you die on battle, you're a soldier, a warrior, and you die while you're battling, while you're fighting, then you go to directly to the top layer of the skies, because the skies were also divided in 13 different layers. So let's say that you die now, or I die. I have to go to the bottom of the Xibalbá, and then start climbing my way up. Each of those layers represent like a test. It's something that you have to pass. There is something extraordinary that you have to do in order to ascend to the next level. And from this will be the first one, the first level.